A lot of dry air in place. All of that yellow you see on your screen, that is just dry air all the way through the atmosphere. And that's just going to keep us sunny for a good chunk of the weekend and mostly sunny to partly cloudy next week. And we're staying hot through the weekend into next week. Rain chances slim to none in the near term. So could there be a stray shower storm between now and let's say the end of next week? Yeah, it's possible, but moisture chance is still pretty limited. And actually tonight, it's going to be a little bit warmer than last night. Your Friday night here, mainly lower 70s with winds from the west and northwest, about 2 to 5 here. And it's going to be a warmer night versus where we were Friday morning. We were down into the 60s, some spots down into the lower 60s. Your Saturday, though, more sun. Let's just call it mostly sunny. Temperatures into the low to mid 90s north, mid to upper 90s farther south here. Winds from the north-northwest at about 5 to 10. So it's going to be very hot. The sun is still very powerful. The heat index could be 100 plus here, especially across the central and southern parts of the area. Plan accordingly for those college football games. The heat advisory that has been issued will extend through the afternoon and early evening for the southern parts of our coverage area. That will go on Saturday. Now let's talk about football here. We talked about the MSU game earlier. Let's go ahead and talk about the Alabama game here. Saturday afternoon, mid to maybe upper 90s. Lots of sunshine there if you're doing any tailgating there, or in Starkville, or here in Oxford for the Arkansas-Ole Miss game. It's going to be hot, but Ole Miss, you lucked out. You've got an evening game, so temperatures will be cooling down into the 70s during the course of that game. That's going to be a nice little change of pace relative to the afternoon. But your Saturday will feature a lot of sunshine around here. And for Sunday, too. Now, notice there's a little bit of moisture starting to dance in some of those graphics there on some of the imagery. I can't rule out a shower storm, especially as we get into some part of next week, probably Monday or Tuesday, maybe a better chance as we get into the end of next week by Friday or next weekend. But there's a big area of high pressure. It's large. It's in charge. It's not going anywhere here this weekend or next week. So a safe bet is to assume more highs somewhere in the mid-90s as we go forward for the next 7 days. Just pretty warm stuff here as we go throughout the course of early September. Scott?